Honorable Chief Guest, my respected teachers and all of my fellows, good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of speech which I am going to deliver is Quaid-e-Azam Mahomedali Jinnah. There are so many great personalities, but I like Quaid-e-Azam Mahomedali Jinnah. A person who was not only a man but a whole situation of truth, honesty and sincerity. He was born at a rich and admired family in Karachi. He got higher educations from abroad. He proved his worth as a successful lawyer and stepped in the field of politics. Quaid-e-Azam observed the miserable conditions of Muslims and decided to work for them. He presented his case of two-nation theory so effective way that each corner of subcontinent resounded with a single voice. Lekar rahega Pakistan, badkar rahega Hindustan. It was the result of his wonderful leadership that on 23rd of March 1940, the Pakistan resolution was presented at the place of Monarch, Lahore, and the Pakistan movement entered in a new phase. Then sound to get Pakistan converted into an utmost passion of the Muslim community in the subcontinent. Quaid-e-Azam had a broad vision, a wide and talented vision, a bold and clear vision, a massive and energetic vision, a life sense of practical work which kindled the whole nation or a path of a unique course, and eventually, on 14th of August 1947, a new sun appeared on the horizon of the South Asia which shone with a new name, Pakistan. Yes, the Pakistan of Quaid, which was determined with the slogan, Pakistan ka matlab kya? La ilaha illallah. At the end, I do not believe in taking the right decision. I take decision and make it right. Thank you.
प्यारे दोस्तों, जैसे कि आपको मालूम है कि आज 25 दिसंबर है और आज के दिन Quaid-e-Azam मोहम्मद अली जिन्नाह कराची में 1875 को पैदा हुए थे। तो आज का दिन हमारे लिए निहायत अहम और ख़ास दिन है, क्योंकि Quaid-e-Azam मोहम्मद अली जिन्नाह ही की बदौलत हम एक अलग और आज़ाद मुल्क में रह रहे हैं। Quaid-e-Azam मोहम्मद अली जिन्नाह की बेपनाह मेहनत का पल है ये पाकिस्तान। आखिर में हम अपने प्यारे कायद को शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं। हमारे Quaid-e-Azam, इस प्यारे वतन के लिए शुक्रिया। थैंक यू।
Quaid-e-Azam is the greatest leader of our history. He was born 25 December 1876 in Karachi.
He is the founder of Pakistan.
His real name was MuhammadAli Jinnah. His father's name is Liaquat.
Quaid-e-Azam MuhammadAli Jinnah is our national king.
His early education in Karachi.
He went to England to study law.
He was a sincere
And wanted leader. He worked day and night and fought and independence.
Pakistan came to be in 14 August 1947. He was our Governor General of Pakistan.
Now I am telling you about Quaid-e-Azam message which he delivered to students. Development is being sought in every walk of life, and you have to take on this process of development. Are you preparing to take on tomorrow's responsibilities? Are you building your capacity? Are you trained enough? If no, then go and prepare yourself, because this is the time to prepare yourself for future responsibilities. Education is a matter of life and death to our nation. The world is moving so fast that if you do not educate yourself, you will be not only completely left behind, but will be finished up. Quaid-e-Azam मोहम्मदअली जिन्नाह के हवाले से यूं दी है हमें आज़ादी की दुनिया हुई है हैरान, ए Quaid-e-Azam तेरा एहसान है एहसान। है मोहम्मद अली जिन्नाह, मिल्लत है जिस्म जहाँ है मोहम्मद अली जिन्नाह, मिल्लत हुई है जिंदा फिर उसकी पुकार से, तकदीर की आज़ा से मोहम्मद अली जिन्नाह।
Quaid-e-Azam is the national hero.
मैं पाकिस्तान में वजी खालिका, मैं घर है उनकी मालिका, मैं कायद का फरमान, मैं सीने में कुरान, मैं खैबर में पंजाब, मैं सिंध बलोचिस्तान, मैं पाकिस्तान हूँ, मैं पाकिस्तान हूँ। एक सी ज़मीन और आसमां, दिल पाकिस्तान, जा पाकिस्तान और आसमां, ऐसी ज़मीन आसमां। दिल पाकिस्तान, दिल पाकिस्तान,